Hello there, and welcome to Cooking with Dangle. Today, we're making mac and cheese with some ham in there. Start with half a pound of pasta. Choose something ridged so that the cheese sauce has something to stick to. My favorite is cavatappi. Now preheat your oven to 350. Put a Dutch oven or something oven safe over medium heat for the cheese sauce. First, we melt 2 tablespoons butter. If the butter starts to burn, you know your heat is on too high. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of flour. Stir for 2 to 3 minutes to combine them and make the roux. While the roux is thickening, we can cut up our cheese so that it melts a little easier. The next step for the sauce is adding 1 cup of whole milk. And you want to do it really slowly so that it has time to combine with the roux and become a nice velvety texture. Once all the milk is combined, now we can throw the cheese in. While the cheese is melting, or I actually did this beforehand, I'm just going to cook up that cubed ham over medium heat for about 8 minutes until it gets nice and browned. While the cheese is melting, you want to keep it moving so that none of it burns on the bottom of the pot. You can kind of see here I'm doing a scraping motion off the bottom of the pot because I want to keep it moving, and all the bits that kind of burn onto the bottom, I want to keep them in the sauce. Okay, it's looking pretty ready at this point. The cheese is mostly melted and it's had nice thick consistency. This is actually my mom's recipe, so I hope I'm doing it justice. Now that the cheese is ready, let's throw in the pasta and the ham. And stir it all together. Put the lid on it, and now it's going to go in the oven for 6 minutes. Stir it again now that it's halfway through, and then it's going to go back in the oven for another 6 minutes. And there you have it, mac and cheese with ham. Enjoy.